Whether you're a retailer, large or small, or an outpatient pharmacy, you are looking for ways to improve cash flow, profitability, and your labor model, all while improving your customer's experience. In years past, the industry has used workflow processes and automation to streamline prescription filling. An unintended side effect has been the overwhelming of the prescription pickup area, which is why PickPoint created the Intellipharmacy WCS will call system. PickPoint's Intellipharmacy WCS is a hybrid technology designed to identify every filled prescription inside your pharmacy and instantly provide you its physical location the moment you need it, saving hours of time spent searching for prescriptions and countless frustrations for your customers. And happy customers lead to a happier bottom line. Let's hear what pharmacy managers working day in and day out with the WCS system in their pharmacies have to say.
On average, we ring out about probably 700 or 800 prescriptions a day. Previously, our patients had to sign in and sit and wait for their names to be called after 15 or 20 minutes of us digging through prescriptions and trying to figure out where those prescriptions were. We installed PickPoint to be able to help us and help our clerks find the medications faster and easier and more accurately. Now they can just walk up right to the window, provide their information, and the clerks can ring them out. The PickPoint system has improved the pharmacy in that it makes the wait time at their cash register dramatically less. It's gone from over an hour wait to usually 5 or 10 minutes max.
With our system, we see approximately 40,000 patients and fill about 80,000 prescriptions per month. Prior to the PickPoint system, some of our biggest issues were getting patients out the front of our pharmacies. They'd show up to pick up their prescriptions and we couldn't find them, and we wasted countless hours of labor trying to locate finished prescriptions. When you walk up to our pharmacies that have the PickPoint will call solution, you do not see long lines in the front of the pharmacy. Our ability to service our patients as they walk up for their prescriptions has greatly improved. We're saving on average 1 minute per prescription. The integration of PickPoint into our system has been seamless. We've been able to incorporate our central fill operations, and the staff training was very, very easy. The PickPoint system has exceeded my expectations. I did not anticipate how fast we would have a return on investment with this system.
Now that you've heard some of the reasons the Intellipharmacy will call system powered by PickPoint helps create a better working environment, as well as a way to speed up patient waiting times, here's an example of how it works. For loading, the prescription is filled, verified, and labeled with a standard barcode. The prescription is then scanned into the WCS hanger, and the hanger is placed anywhere in the prescription pickup area. Even managing centrally filled prescriptions is a snap, literally. Simply remove a centrally filled bag from its tote, snap it into a WCS hanger, and hang it anywhere on the rack. PickPoint's WCS will automatically identify the hanger's contents and check them in. And whether filled locally or centrally, PickPoint's WCS can also automatically message your patients the current status of their prescriptions, improving customer flow through your pharmacy. For pickup, the pharmacy staff identifies the customer's prescription by illuminating the patient's hanger bag. The staff member then retrieves all prescriptions and sells them to the patient. Although PickPoint's WCS helps you sell more prescriptions with reduced labor and patient wait times, inevitably some medications need to be returned to stock. PickPoint's WCS also speeds the RTS process by identifying and illuminating every return with a single mouse click, and will even trigger the claim reversal process automatically, turning a tedious chore into a 5-minute exercise. Just imagine how quickly any pharmacy staff, especially your pharmacy, can finally catch up on all the backlogged workload. Let's hear what a couple of others have to say about PickPoint's Intellipharmacy WCS process.
It was a task trying to find just one person's bag because our area was so small and congested. It would take them anywhere from probably, we try to do like 3 to 5 minutes ringing them out, not necessarily rushing the patient, but if they have to walk around the entire pharmacy to locate that bag because of our curves and corners that we have, it could get kind of hectic. With the implementation of PickPoint, the process for a patient to pick up prescriptions has gone much faster. The patients that have been here the longest, that were here before PickPoint, and the ones now, They are giving us very good scores, very good comments. They like the lights. They like, to see that, oh, okay, we know exactly what they want. They see it, it's ready. There's no more of that searching like we had to do in previous times.
A lot of prescriptions are filled, they're alphabetized, they're harder to find, they get lost. Patients get frustrated, they wait too long, they leave, they don't pick up their prescriptions. So what we really designed was a product that would streamline the pickup process, get the patients through the line faster, end up having you sell more prescriptions, and reduce the amount of labor that you needed to actually complete that transaction. It makes their lives a lot easier. The number one thing about this is that patients are happy, which translates to happy people behind the counter, which makes everybody's life much easier. They fill prescriptions faster. They're able to turn their prescriptions much easier. One of our early customers had 5 handout technicians. Their line was 25 minutes long from the time their prescription was filled and ready for handout. And so people had to queue for 25 minutes. The first day we went in, the line was no longer than 6 minutes. The second day happened to be a snow day. 3 of their handout clerks called in where they couldn't make it in the clinic that day, so they're down to 2 clerks. They dispensed the same number of prescriptions, and the line still never got longer than 6 minutes.
The PickPoint system is the first system that is actually for the front end people. It's for the clerks, and they love it because it makes their job so much easier. They don't have to go through every bag and try to find the person's bag. It lights up, they go directly to the bag, patient gets their medication, and they're on their way. And the clerks love it. They love it. I love it too. They don't have to call my name all day long with a problem. I don't know if satisfied is really the word I'd like to use. I'd just like to say maybe just excited. It's great. It's awesome. It's wonderful. It's really wonderful because, like I said, it has just basically turned the pharmacy around and what we have to do and what we don't have to do, really. So it has really turned everything around. It is wonderful. Love it.
PickPoint's Intellipharmacy WCS will call system is the single best way to increase your pharmacy's productivity, improve your patients' patience, and even help your pharmacy staff simplify frustrating procedures such as RTS orders. For more information or to visit a location and see the Intellipharmacy WCS powered by PickPoint in motion, please contact us at pickpoint.com or intellipharmacy.com, 800-636-1288.